Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here on Ampney Close in Eccles to show you this fantastic and beautifully presented throughout family home coming to the market chain free. So we have a 3-bedroom semi-detached property here, all in moving condition. So starting at the front of the property through the porch and entrance hallway, we have this beautiful and large family lounge. Property's all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. Got some storage under the stairs there. And again, you can see that we've got a great space. This also flows through to the kitchen. As we can see here, we've got ample storage, wall units and base units that we can see here. Absolutely fantastic space, and again in really great condition. Property has been in the family for some years, and again is coming to the market with us chain free. So we've got this fantastic, very large conservatory. Could have a number of uses. Again, it's a great family home. Could be used as an office or a dining room, or it could be opened up to make a large kitchen diner to the rear of the property. And then coming out the back, we've got some wide patio doors which lead to this fantastic low maintenance rear garden. We've got laid lawn grass and paving there. Got a lovely seated area here, and then there is also space down the side. So we've got side access, we've got a driveway to the front for off-road parking for multiple cars. And then coming back through the property and up the stairs, we've got 3 generous sized bedrooms, and then we've got a lovely modern 3-piece bathroom suite. So we are situated in Eccles on Ampney Close. Now this is a lovely quiet cul-de-sac with fantastic neighbours, lots of transport links, amenities nearby, local schools and parks. So this is our back bedroom. Again, we can see that we've got lots of storage in here. We aren't shy on storage in this property. Got a double bed in here, and again in fantastic condition. So this is our master bedroom. This is at the front of the property. We can see that this room is housing a large bed, large window flooding in natural light. And then we've got some storage as well here to the right, wardrobe and drawers. Now this could be knocked out to make further room or extended to have further storage. Now our 3rd bedroom again also houses some double wardrobes, as you can see there. So all 3 of the bedrooms do benefit from fitted furniture. And then completing this fantastic property, we've got our 3-piece modern family bathroom suite. Got a large mirror there as well and a shower screen. This is a fantastic opportunity for first-time buyers or families looking to upsize in the area. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this property, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.